Hallo daar. Welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, the perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did aanwysings. This time we will cover Meervoud, plural in Afrikaans. Do subscribe if you enjoy our series. Worksheets and early videos are available on Patreon. Les 20, Meervoud, plural. This episode forms part of our grammar series. Plural is used to denote more than one. In Afrikaans, you look at the form of the word in order to know how the plural, meervoud, will be formed. Make sure to know these different cases by heart. Then you will always have success with the meervoud. There are a lot of different cases to go through. We will explain and show some examples. Be sure to re-watch and go back if needed. First, we look at words with short vowels. Woorde met kort vokale. If the vowels is short in the singular, it needs to stay short in the plural. Take the word dam. Dam. For the plural, you would add the ear, as well as double the consonants. Damme. Damme. Same for kat. Katte. Kat. Katte. Remember, a short vowel lengthens the plural. The inverse is also true with two vowels. Woorde met twee vokale. Muur, muur. Here a vowel falls away and the is added. Muur, mure, muur, mure. Been, bene, been, bene. Important, although the second vowel is removed, the sound stays long. In Afrikaans, a vowel has a long sound if it occurs at the end of a syllable, an open syllable. If a word has double vowels, woorde met dubbel vokale, it just gains an ear. By now you'll notice that most words in Afrikaans, meervoud, gain the ear groep, groepe, groep, groepe, deur, deure, deur, deure. For words ending in double consonants, woorde met dubbel konsonante eindig. Just add an ear. Slang, slange, slang, slange. Vark, varke, vark, varke. For words that end with an F, the same is done regarding the vowels, but the F is turned into one or two W's. Words ending in F with a short vowel. Woorde wat eindig met 'n F en kort vokaal het. Stof, stowwe, stof, stowwe. Words ending in F with a double vowel. Woorde wat eindig met 'n F en 'n dubbel vokaal het. Stoof, stowe, stoof, stowe. Be careful not to get confused. Words ending with G change the word a bit. Words that end with IG, woorde wat eindig met IG, they get te in the meervoud. Lig, ligte, lig, ligte. Gesig, gesigte, gesig, gesigte. Words ending in ag, woorde wat eindig met ag, they lose the G and get an E. Dag, dae, dag, dae. Vlag, vlae, vlag, vlae. Make sure of the pronunciation. Words ending in och, woorde wat eindig met och. They also lose the G and get an ear, but now it gets the umlaut, die deelteken. This is done to make sure of the right pronunciation. Oorlog, oorloë, oorlog, oorloë. Without the deelteken, it would be oorloë. This is wrong. Reënboog, reënboë, reënboog, reënboë. Words that end in uig, woorde wat eindig met uig. The G is replaced with an ear. Vliegtuig, vliegtuie. vliegtuig, vliegtuie. If a word ends on L, M, N, R or ing, the plural gets just an S. Woorde wat eindig met L, M, N, R of ing, koning, konings, koning, konings, wapen, wapens, wapen, wapens. If you have a reduction, you also add an S. Vir verkleiningswoorde kry dit ook 'n S. Huisie, huisies, huisie, huisies. Kykie, kykies, kykie, kykies. If a words end with an emphasized vowel, woorde wat eindig met 'n onbeklemde vokaal, they gain an S. Oma, omas, oma, omas. Baba, babas, baba, babas. If the vowel is emphasized, it gains an apostrophe S. Dit kry 'n afkappingteken en 'n S. Pa, paas, pa, paas. Foto, foto's, foto, foto's. Words that end with heid. Woorde wat eindig met heid. The heid changes to hede. Besigheid, besighede. Besigheid, besighede. Moeilikheid, moeilikhede. Moeilikheid, moeilikhede. Words that end with man. Woorde wat eindig met man. The man falls away and the ear is added. Fransman, Franse. Fransman, Franse. Polisieman, polisie. Polisieman, polisie. The rest of these words don't have a pattern and should just be remembered as you come across them. Words that get an ear with an umlaut. Vlieg, 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 vlieg. Knie, knieë, knie, knieë. Words that get an ens. Bad, buddens, bad, buddens. Vrou, vrouwens, vrou, vrouwens. Words that get a te. Bees, beeste, bees, beeste. Kas, kaste, kas, kaste. Words that get an ers. Kind, kinders, kind, kinders. Kalf, kalvers, kalf, kalvers. There are many other exceptions, but this covers most forms you will come across. Just like in any language, it is best to learn these by immersing yourself in the language and not worrying about actively studying them. Don't be scared to make mistakes. Thank you for watching. This week we also have a video about vakansiedae, holidays in Afrikaans. Next week, stokperdjies, hobbies in Afrikaans. To test yourself, visit our Patreon for worksheets. Do watch this video again to study effectively. Baie dankie. Sharing, liking and subscribing will help our channel a lot. Comment any questions below. Bye.